Yes. Good morning, students. Today is Monday. And today is the 23rd of June. Stand up. Good morning, class. How are you? I am fine, they will say. How is the weather? Look at the picture and tell me, how is the weather? It is sunny. Correct. Today is a sunny day. Yes. I just stuck up a picture of a sun. Right. Sit down. This is a dog. Can you say dog? Good job. This is a cat. Can you say cat? Very good. Cat. This is a pig. Everyone say pig. So we have 1, 2, 3. 2 more. This is a cow. Everyone say cow. Cow. And this is a duck. Everyone say duck. Yes. Wonderful. Duck. How many do I have? How many animals do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count with me together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Dog. Say dog. Yes. Cat. Say cat. Good job. Pig. Say pig. Yes. Cow. Say cow. Good. Duck. Say duck. Now, we will talk about the sounds. The dog goes woof, woof. The dog goes woof, woof. Right? When I do this, you make the sound. The dog goes woof, woof. Yes. The cat goes meow, meow. The cat goes meow, meow. The pig goes oink, oink. The pig goes oink, oink. The cow goes moo, moo. The cow goes moo, moo. The duck goes quack, quack. The duck goes quack, quack. Right. So I will say dog and you will make the sound. Okay? Dog. Yes. Cat. Yes. Pig. Cow. Good job. And duck. Yes. Now I will make the sound and you will say the animal. Okay? Woof, woof. oink, oink. Good job. Moo, 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 moo. Yes! Quack, 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 quack. Good. Now we will sing a song, right? So, when you hear the sound, you will join in with me, okay? I know they don't understand that, but if I had a real class, then it would be different. So, let's go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here the woof, there the woof, everywhere the woof woof woof. Okay, you see the song? Now I want you to stand up and you can make the sound and do the actions with me. All right? Do what teacher does. Copy the teacher, okay? Right, let's go. Stand up, everyone, and get ready to do this and that and this. Okay? 1, 2, 3. And make the sound. Yes. And clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O, with a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here the meow, there the meow, everywhere the meow meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here the oink, there the oink, everywhere the oink oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here the moo, there the moo, everywhere the moo-moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here the quack, there the quack, everywhere the quack quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very good, students. Clap your hands for yourselves. Right. Sit down. And now we will practice together. Okay? One more time. What is this? Dog, cat, pig, cow, and yes, duck. Tell me how it goes. Dog, woof woof. Cat, meow meow. Pig, oink oink. Cow, moo moo. Duck, quack, quack. So I'll point randomly, and you will tell me. Cat! Yes! Meow, meow! Duck! Quack, quack! Okay! Cow! Moo, moo! Yeah! Pig! Whoa! That's good! And dog! Good job! Students, stand up and line up. I will point and you will make the sound. For example, cow. Moo, moo, right? And when you finish, you go to the back of the line. Okay? Let's go. Right. John. Woof, woof. Yeah, that's right, it's a dog. Betty. Quack, quack. Yeah, that's right, it's a duck. Okay, this time, I will make the sound and I will point and you will tell me the animal, okay? So they are in the line and they will try this again. Everyone will get a chance. Here we go. Bobby! Woof, woof! Dog, that's right. And we play this game with everyone. At the end of the lesson, I will give the students a worksheet and they will color in the worksheet and will put a hearty next to the animal they really like. And we will have a show and tell where every child says the animal they like and will make the sound. For example, I like a dog. Woof, woof. So this is a whole lesson altogether, but I created a demo in about 10 minutes. Thank you.